Ever pondered about the meals you consume or the health goals you've set? What if there was a way to relish in delicious food, yet still stay on track with your health objectives? Enter the world of the ketogenic diet. Today we're diving into a treasure trove of over 500 mouth-watering, health-boosting keto recipes, from tantalizing snacks and appetizers to delectable main dishes. And let's not forget the refreshing drinks and irresistible desserts. Each recipe designed to help you lose weight, improve your health, and stay in the ketogenic zone. Imagine biting into a crispy, golden appetizer, savoring its rich flavors, and knowing it's doing your body good. Picture this, a main course that's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a champion for your health. Or how about a refreshing drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also keeps you in that prime keto zone? And of course, a dessert that's a sweet ending to your meal, yet still aligned with your health goals. Crafting these recipes is a breeze. Each one comes with easy-to-follow steps, making your culinary journey an enjoyable one. The ingredients are simple, the steps are clear, and the results? Well, they're nothing short of amazing. Imagine the joy of creating these dishes, the satisfaction of tasting them, and the pride of sharing them with your loved ones. And the best part? You're not just feeding your body with delicious food, but also nourishing it with the health benefits of a keto diet. Here's a friendly nudge to give these recipes a whirl. Experience the pleasure of cooking and eating healthy. And when you do, don't keep it to yourself. Share your experiences, your triumphs, your favorite recipes. Because the joy of cooking, like all good things in life, is best when shared. And before we wrap up, don't forget to show us some love by liking us. Also, there's a special offer waiting just for you. Click the link below or scan the QR code on your screen at the end of this video. Embarking on a journey to better health doesn't have to be a tedious one. With these keto recipes, it can be an adventure filled with delicious discoveries. So go ahead, unlock a world of culinary delights, and let your health journey be a flavorful one. Thank you for joining us today. Here's to your health.